Canva just dropped 12 new text effects, and they work in one click. Open a work page in Canva and then press T on your keyboard and type your text. I will increase the size and then click it, go to effects, and then scroll down. Here are 12 new text effects in one click. Just click here and it change to neon lights. Click here, TV static. Click here, it's 70s style. Alright, so now we have it. Try this feature and show the result on your social media. See you next video and have fun with Canva.